This is the orange list. Number 1, lives. He lives in a house with his mom and dad. Number 2, wolves. The wolves were howling at the moon. Number 3 is feet. I put my feet in the warm water after going skiing. Number 4 is geese. The geese were swimming in the pond. Number 5 is mice. The mice nibbled on the cheese. Number 6 is sheep. The sheep were out in the pasture. Number 7 is elves. The elves helped finish making the shoes. Number 8 is loaves. I bought 2 loaves of bread at the grocery store. Number 9 is calves. The mother cows watched the calves as they walked through the field. Number 10 is shelves. Please put the books back on the shelves.